Today we are immersed in unboxing Bugatti. Boss, in the box behind you is your Bugatti. I will accompany you to pick up the car today. Otherwise your car won't be able to drive. Now let them open this box. This is a Bugatti Super Sport, not the black and orange color scheme, but the white and red color scheme. I don't know if the boss likes it. In this cardboard box, which is the big Bugatti box, there are 2 keys, a card jacket, and a USB flash drive. The car is still in transport mode, and other functions other than starting are temporarily unavailable. The eyeliner around the headlights is the first time Bugatti has adopted such a design. Originally, the inside of this power plate should also be red, but because of the heat dissipation, Bugatti cannot allow any flaws, so it is still white. Boss, don't worry, this is different from the Magatan key. This is just a spare key. The main key also needs the box. Put it in. Let's take a look at this key box, and coins. You are also very familiar with it. This box is different from the 300 Plus. The entire outer cover is silver white, and the inside is also different. It is red, echoing the car paint. Are you ready to see your new car key? From bottom to top, in this box are the USB key that can be inserted into the car to listen to music, and the key to unlock the top speed. Today the car needs to be checked in the store to unlock the transport mode, so you can't take this box away yet. When the restoration is officially completed, the keys will be sent directly to your home. Now let me show you the interior of this car. The interior is still a combination of white and red with carbon fiber. If you can see the logo on the passenger side, it should be gold. Are you ready to feel the roar of your new car starting up? Because this car has not been policed yet, in order to avoid damaging your new car, I will not step on the accelerator. But for your car delivery ceremony, I also specially prepared a small gift for you. This is a Czech Leopard and Bugatti joint model released at the 2023 Pebble Beach Auto Show. The only one in the world. The entire watch case is made of a ruby. The price of this watch is $1.5 million US. The biggest feature of this watch is that this button is pressed, the Bugatti W16 cylinder engine inside will rotate accordingly. The final test is for you.